The chalet design from Kitome's Freedom range offers two standard floor plans as a starting point, but as with all our designs, anything can be altered to better suit your needs, or we can design from scratch. The chalet features an open plan living, kitchen and dining area with 3 bedrooms and veranda on the lower level. The upper level is designed with the parents in mind and has the main bedroom, complete with walk-in robe, ensuite, parents' retreat or sitting room, a private veranda and a separate study or home office. The Chalet 19 offers 176 square metres of living area, while the Chalet 25 offers 267 square metres of living area. Select from one of our many standard designs, change anything you want, or guess what? We can design your dream home from scratch. We offer a full home design service. Let us design your new home. You'll be amazed how flexible we really are.